Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Snapchat Plus for free. But first, check out our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, in this case, you might be wondering, can you get Snapchat Plus here for free? Well, the direct and simple answer to that is yes, you can actually get Snapchat Plus for free. So, if you're not aware yet, Snapchat here offers free or free trial access to certain accounts, especially with accounts that are quite new. So if your account is quite new, you might be eligible to this, but other accounts or older accounts may also be able to use this specific perk. So in this case, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your phone, go to Snapchat, and you want to go and just access your account. Now, once you are in your account, you want to go ahead and go to your profile, typically at the top left. So I'm already in my profile. So you want to go and click on the gear icon that you see at the top right of your screen here. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go and just look for the option that says Snapchat Plus, usually just underneath your email. So in this case, you want to go and just click on Snapchat Plus. You want to go and click on subscribe. And from here, you should see the option here that basically explains what Snapchat Plus is. Go and click on next. Now, depending, again, like what I said, for newer accounts, this option may be available to you. So in this case, if you do see the free trial option here or a button that says try for free 7 days, you can go and just choose that one and start your free trial for Snapchat. Now, the thing with this one is you need to make sure to disable or to remove or unsubscribe from Snapchat Plus here, is if you don't unsubscribe or if you don't remove your subscription in Snapchat here, you will get charged with Snapchat Plus. So you may want to remove that once 7 days or the free trial is actually up. So yeah, so this is the first way for you to basically get Snapchat Plus. Now another way for you, or another way you could try doing here, is you may want to try deleting your account. Now don't worry, you are not going to actually delete your account here. You're just going to use the free trial or the free offer that Snapchat actually offers if you try deleting your account. So typically what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically scroll down a bit here until you see the option that says delete account. So in this case, go ahead and click on delete account. And once you are in here, you may need to provide the necessary details like your username and even a password for your account, and click on continue. Now in the following pages, they may ask you a few questions, and they may even give you free trials, a free trial of Snapchat Plus here. So sometimes that's a way for them to just pull you back into the platform by giving you Snapchat Plus offers before actually deleting your account. Now remember, do not actually delete your account. You just want to go ahead and access until the page that says I acknowledge section at the very end. So don't press that. You want to go and just go back if you don't want to actually delete your account. So yeah, this actually depends on your account. Sometimes they offer this, sometimes they do not. So it depends on your account. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.